What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. So if you've been keeping up with my videos and saw last week's room tour, you know that my home is under renovations right now. So we're at my temp spot for now, and this room is actually smaller than my previous, but we're making do for now, and I'm trying to make the place as cozy as possible for the next couple of months. Anyways, on to the video. So this week we're going to be talking about what to wear on a date. I got this request a while back, and since it's Valentine's Day coming around, I figured it'd be the perfect time to talk about this. Now I'm going to be making a few assumptions before we begin, guys. I'm going to be assuming that the girl you're taking out is going to be a real one. You know what I mean? Not the casual nasty hoe, but the type that's actually going to hold you down. The one that's wifey and you're actually out to impress her. She's probably already a little interested in you as well, and this date is gonna make or break it between you two. So since you're watching this video, I'm gonna be assuming all of that. So we're gonna be leaving our hypebeast gear at home and cleaning up a little bit today. Not too much though. We're gonna be mixing it up a little, having a cleaner and slightly more mature aesthetic, but still feeling confident and comfortable in what we're wearing. So first off, I'm gonna start off with a strong rule of mine: no t-shirts and no shorts. I don't care how hot or humid it is where you live, that is a huge no-no on a date for me. Just remember, guys, a little bit of effort goes a long way. And now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get into look number one. Our first look to wear on a date is going to be the overshirt. A great overshirt instantly elevates your outfit. It's a super simple way to look extra clean and sharp for your date without looking like you're trying too much. If you're trying to keep things casual or pretend to keep things casual, going for that smooth, I'm not really trying too hard kind of vibe, an overshirt is a great look to go for. I've got on a simple corduroy shirt from Zara in a cream colorway, and just keeping things clean and neutral with the color tones. This look is super easy to replicate. My only suggestion is that you pick a shirt with some shape and texture to it. I'd avoid the office and formal wear type shirts because we're trying to keep things casual and smooth with this one. An alternative overshirt look, just for some extra inspo, this faux suede overshirt also from Zara. Another great example of a shirt with some texture and shape to it. Now on to look number two. One of my favorite looks in general. A clean jumper will have you looking good and feeling cozy all at the same time. I stress a clean jumper and not one with some graphics on it. A clean jumper with a good shape gives a much more mature aesthetic to your outfit. With this look, you could really go with any color you're comfortable with. I really like cream tones, so I picked out one of my favorite jumpers from COS. Again, a look that's really easy to replicate. And the most important thing is that you feel comfortable in what you're wearing. Remember, guys, you're trying to look like you made some effort to clean up a little for your date, and trust me, she will notice. Another alternative look for some extra inspo, this lilac jumper from Acne Studios. Dressing in softer, more pastel color tones like lilac is another great option for your date. If you'd like to show a little more of your personality and get a little more colorful, choosing softer color tones is a great way to do that. Okay, so the next one is a little tricky. If you're gonna go with the all-out suit look, I'd highly advise that the situation be communicated. You don't just show up out of nowhere in a suit on your date, because if she's not prepared for it, she's gonna be underdressed and the vibe is just all messed up now and super awkward because you showed up in a suit and now you guys aren't matching up. If you're going for the fancy suit look on your date, definitely tell her beforehand. Plan a nice fancy spot to take her to, let her know it's going to be a nice place so that she could prepare for it too. And now it's time to pull out the suit look. The type of suit you get really varies depending on your budget. Zara and COS are great places to look for starters. I never really got my suits bespoke until I could really afford it. This suit is from Joe's Tailoring in Singapore. Without a doubt the best tailoring spot locally. They're a family-owned business that's run by amazing and kind people. It's a little pricey, but they have the best skill and quality fabrics by far locally. As far as styling goes, you could go full matchy with the colors on your blazer and your pants, or you could mix it up a little with the pants and the pocket square matching instead, just for something a little different. This was actually my New Year's Eve fit, but I thought it was a pretty good example to pull out for the suit look. I always think it's a good idea to find an excuse to dress up every once in a while, and again, the key to pulling off the suit look is communication, guys. Real quick before we end the video, guys, I'm looking for participants for a future video. I'm thinking of doing something like an OOTD reaction video, personal style class tips kind of thing. Definitely keeping things positive and helping some of you guys out with some simple styling. If this sounds interesting to you and you'd like to be a part of the video, please hit me up over at my IG at timothycole_. DM me a photo of your OOTD and text TK reaction video just so I know that you're submitting an entry. And lastly, please have your IG profile on public just so I'd be able to have a look at your gear and also kind of have a feel of the type of style that you're into. This might take a while to get done once we get enough entries, but yeah, looking forward to it, guys. And now, back to the video. And there you go, guys. Those were some style tips to what to wear on a date, our special Valentine's Day edition. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative. For you guys out there heading out on your dates, best of luck and remember to be generous. For those who aren't, don't stress over it. It's gonna be your turn soon enough and you'll probably be way better prepared for it after this video. But with that being said, it's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoy my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love, guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.